Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn how to install Java for Windows. So first we'll go to Oracle Java website. So under oracle.com there is here downloads option, click on it. Under JDK 23 there is Windows, click it. Then for 64-bit installer there is link, click on it. Save it. So your Java is being downloaded here. Wait for it to download. So right click on it and open. Click yes. Click next. Keep the path as it is and click next. Now click close and under files here go to C drive and there is program files folder, click on it, and now Java folder is created, click on it, JDK 23, and then copy this file path. Okay. So under start go to environment variables. So here the edit system environment variables, click on it. Under advanced tab there is environment variables, click on it. So under system variables there is this path, click edit, new, and paste, and then click OK, and again OK. Okay, so now we search CMD, that is command prompt. So run as administrator. Okay, so here type Java space -- version and enter. So now you can see the Java version and the date it was installed. Thank you for watching. Hope you found my video informative. Bye.